Sa'd bin Rabi radiyallahu anhu. Ameen. The martyred chief. Let's find out who is Sa'd bin Rabi. Sa'd bin Rabi is one of the greatest Sahaba of Al-Ansar. Sa'd ibn Rabi. Remember his name. Let's see. So he is from the Ansar, not Muhajirin. He's from Medina. Khazraj. Two tribes. Remember, Medina consists of two major tribes, Khazraj and Aus. He is Khazraj. Aus and Khazraj were fighting for 40 years. One thing you need to know about Medina, sister. Two major tribes fighting each other. Only Rasulullah could unite them. And they were tired already. 40 years of war. For what? Look how stupid. No, look how stupid. Before Islam, one female horse beat one male horse. War, they were killing each other for a race. Now you know why some races are haram? Because they lead to that. I get happy, you beat me. And look how foolish people are. But from another side, look at it. Look at it from another side. Loyalty of the tribes to the tribe. If individuals have loyalty, they rather die. Even from. So that's good thing actually if it is taken by Islam. If you have loyalty to your tribe, all you need is Islam. So if you have loyalty, look at me. If you have loyalty, even for the wrong reason, I can hire you. Because if I teach you Islam, your loyalty becomes to me. That's what the Prophet did. These people were so fanatic in their loyalty that they stayed in war for 40 years. All they need is that they stop their stupidity, and that loyalty has to be channeled towards the right thing, which is Islam, instead of the tribe. Instead of tribalism, ummatism. So he could unite them. And they were so tired of killing each other, but they couldn't stop. They needed a foreign element to unite them. Foreign from Medina. They found someone very noble. They looked for nobility. And Quraysh had nobility. And who is better than the Prophet ﷺ? So they said, can you please come and help us? We cannot stop war. We need help. So they were exhausted. You got it? That's why when he united between Aus and Khazraj, he brought the Muhajirin. Now he can bring the Muhajirin. So Aus and Khazraj, no more focus on each other. They need actually a foreign enemy. And Allah gave them foreign enemy, Quraysh, the Jews, the hypocrites. You got it? So subhanallah, sometimes you need to look for these people who are exhausted of pain. They have been in pain for years. Actually, they are looking for solution. So when they see it in you, they will give you their blood and sweat. You got it? SubhanAllah. So Sa'd bin Rabi is not only going to be a great leader, he will be the chief. He's a chief, yet he will die. He's not just a soldier. He's not an ordinary one of the Sahaba. May Allah be pleased with all of them. He's a leader of his tribe. Not easy. And when soldiers see their leaders bleeding like them, do you know what they will do? You know what sometimes you need to do, sisters? Is just wash one plate or two in front of your maid. Wallahi, it will fix her more than, can you do the better job? She will panic. Mom, what are you doing? She will even, no, serious. Sometimes, Imam is Sheikh, putting the tables, she could do it. It's leading by example. So sometimes you don't have to tell people, just you give them a hand, then they will improve. They will improve. So leading by example. Okay. So Sa'd ibn Rabi, remember his name. There is Sa'd bin Mu'adh, another leader. The Sahabi who died at 36 and 70,000 angels attended his funeral. And Bilal said he was so light, the Prophet said, you were not carrying him. That is Sa'd bin Mu'adh. This is Sa'd ibn Rabi. Remember him, huh? Okay, Allah.